We wanted to remodel the kitchen because it looked very outdated, and we wanted to get a more modern style, and this was a new home to us, and we wanted to have a kitchen that reflected our style.
We hired ArDan Construction because of Steve, essentially. He came to the house and was really great at expectation management and talked about the project from time of conception all the way to time of production, and it was a really positive experience. What do you love most about the new kitchen?
Our tremendous storage, refrigerator and freezer storage space. It is really awesome. We have all these great compartments, and then even a little bar space, which I enjoy very much.
I like the island the best, and the window, or the coffee bar, or the tiling, everything. I can't pick one thing.
So the thing I noticed about ArDan compared to other contractors we've worked with is what I think of as expectation management, really laying out what we can achieve and what that looks like and what it entails.
I feel like they really owned every part of the process. They contacted our neighbors and made sure that everybody was happy and comfortable with our construction process as it was going on. They also managed all the vendors. There was one night where they asked, hey, is it okay if the plumbing, stays a little bit later past when you guys get home from work? And we said, sure, no problem. And somebody from ArDan stayed with the plumbers, waited till they left.
And the work site was always tidy and immaculate at the end of the day, which was something we really appreciated.
One of the reasons why I highly recommend ArDan is just constant communication. Every day we got emails with what we did today, pictures of the process, what we were doing tomorrow, the plan, any updates, things like that. They were always willing to answer our phone call if we had any questions, texts, anything like that. The other thing that I think is really special about ArDan is the relationships that we've built. Everybody has different relationships that they choose with their vendors, but ArDan is somebody that you can trust and become friends with, and just really becomes part of your home and your family throughout this entire process. And we're really lucky to have some of those guys, and we want them to come back and help us again.